everyone, I will introduce you to the mold welding. This machine has the advantages of high repair quality, high repair accuracy, fast repair speed, little damage to the base material, and a wide range of weldable materials. The main components of this machine are integrated cabinet, manual operating table, YAG laser, laser power supply, control software system, chiller, optical system, rotary welding head, microscope, etc. The welding modes include microbeam welding, resistance welding, and precision argon welding. It can weld and repair various large, medium, and small mold steel, iron, aluminum, and copper. It is widely used in high-precision defect repair and high-quality pulse microbeam welding in molds, hardware, casting, machinery, and parts manufacturing industries. It is a more professional and more precise welding equipment. The screen can adjust the laser power, laser frequency, pulse width, and other system settings. And it is also equipped with a multi-language system for customers' convenience. Now let's start welding and show you the workflow and effects.